Welcome to a full hands-on Claude tutorial. This is a Claude Master Class that will take you from beginner to pro. In every video, we build something real. Let's actually set up a free account and put Claude head-to-head with ChatGPT on the same task right here in this first video. Heading over to Claude AI. Sign up with Google, Apple, or email. No credit card needed. In some regions, you might also be asked to provide a phone number to sign up. Read the terms and conditions, agree, then click Create Account. From here, you can choose a free or paid plan. On the free plan, you get chat, web search, memory across conversations, code generation, file creation, and even connectors to Slack and Google Workspace. Pro runs about $20 a month or $17 a month if you pay annually. And the max plan is $100 a month. Both paid plans come with a much higher usage limit than the free plan. Claude Code for real code bases, Claude Cowork for longer multi-step projects, Claude Design for instant mockups and slides, unlimited projects, and access to Claude's most capable models. For this masterclass, I'll be using the Max plan. You can absolutely go with the free plan too, but you won't be able to practice features like Cowork and Claude Code. So, if it's within budget, I'd recommend the Pro plan for learning Claude properly. For now though, I'll go with the free plan here. Next, to get the most out of Claude, you'll be given the option to install the Claude app on your computer. You can do everything in the browser too, but if you want the full experience, I highly recommend the desktop app. After that, it'll ask permission to train the model on your chats. That's completely your call, but for now, I'm allowing it. Next, it'll ask for your name and job role, and we're signed up. And now we're in the Claude chat. Here's the real test, a real task, not some toy example. I'm giving the exact same prompt to both Claude and ChatGPT. Write a cold outreach email to a potential client for a web development service. Keep it under 100 words, no cliches. Same prompt, same second into Claude and into ChatGPT. ChatGPT's response is in. Claude's still working, and here it is. Take a look at Claude's response. It reads like an actual person wrote it. Short sentences, straight to the value. It's more organized, more detailed. Now, ChatGPT's version, it's solid too. But notice the structure a bit more templatey with a couple of stock phrases creeping in. Neither one is wrong, but if you're sending this to a real client, one of these needs a lot less editing. And that's really the whole game. It's not about which AI is smarter, it's about which output needs less cleanup for your actual work. So, Claude versus ChatGPT for writing that needs to sound human. Claude usually needs less editing. But for built-in image generation, ChatGPT still has the edge. My honest suggestion, keep both open, run your real tasks through each one, and let the output decide, not the hype. You're signed up and you've seen the difference for yourself, live. In the next video, I'll walk you through the full interface, chat, project, skills, co-work, and show you just how powerful Claude can really be. If you found this video helpful, hit like and subscribe to the channel. Take care and bye.